Rosie Huntington Whiteley talks beauty and health with Get the Gloss. 1. Lip gloss or lipstick? Rosie says lipstick because it's more versatile. 2. When did you last laugh until you cried? Rosie says when she was with her brother at Christmas when he was telling her a very amusing story. 3. Warrior pose or heat workout? Rosie explains she does both, hard exercise 3/4 times a week and yoga a few times too. 4. What is your favorite eye product? Rosie loves her creme eyeshadow sticks from Rosie for autograph because they are easy, buildable and very blendable. 5. Most cherished piece of clothing? Rosie says a pair of Paige denim skinny jeans she's owned for 8 years. 6. Leave a spot or squeeze a spot? Squeeze, she says. There is no way I'm leaving a whitehead on my face, she squeals. 7. Desert island dish? If she could have one meal, Rosie's would be roast chicken with all the trimmings. 8. Town or country? Rosie is a country girl at heart as she grew up in Devon but knows she has to work in the city. She likes a mix of both. What else do you think can be added to these?